we are having this salt and we have to identify the acidic and basic radical from this salt. So first we will take this salt, a pinch of salt we will take in our test tube, and now this is the copper chips. We will add some copper chips. You can see these are the copper chips, and we are adding these copper chips into this test tube. And now this is concentrated H2SO4 solution, and we are adding this concentrated H2SO4 solution into this test tube. Now we have to heat this test tube. There should be the brown fumes. There are the brown fumes. You can see the color of this test tube. It gets converted into the brown color. So you can see this, you can smell this gas. So it is nitrate ion test. Now we will do the confirmative test of nitrate ion, which is very important, and it is known as ring test. We will take the solution, this salt again, a pinch of this salt. And in this salt we will add freshly prepared of FeSO4 solution. We dissolve the FeSO4 into the water, and now I am adding this solution. So it get dissolved, and now I will add the concentrated H2SO4. So I have to add this concentrated H2SO4 by the walls of the test tube, drop wise through the wall of the test tube. And now you can see a colorful brown ring. This is very important test. Colorful brown ring, you can see very well. This is the confirmatory test of nitrate ion. Basic radicals, we will take again this salt, and I will add some water drops. This is called as the original solution. Now I will add hydrochloric acid. So we should get the white precipitate. This is white precipitate. So this is the white precipitate of our solution. And now I will divide this white precipitate into the two test tubes, and I will add the test tubes in one. This is the potassium chromate solution. So white precipitate will turn into the yellow precipitate. So this is the yellow precipitate of by adding the K2CrO4 solution into it. And now this is the another test tube in which I have divided the white precipitate into two parts. So this is the solution of Ki, and now I am adding the Ki solution into this test tube. And now further I am getting the yellow precipitate. So these two precipitative, by adding the K2CrO4 solution and Ki solution in separate test tube of original solution by adding dilute HCl, then if we are getting the yellow precipitate in both the test tube, it indicates that the presence of Pb+2 in first group.